going on, everybody? How you doing today? So before these sell out, I wanted to show you guys once again how to get this Roomba 981 for $182.99, which is a fantastic deal. Now, I'll link a video I made prior down in my description. I ordered one of these for $218 as acceptable condition, and it literally came brand new with one little tiny scratch on it. Never been used. So for that price, this is an outstanding robot. And I think that you will get something similar if you order down here at the 182 price. Now I can't guarantee it. Mine said the same thing here, large cosmetic imperfections on front or sides. Mine did come in the original box, so this one may not. And like I said, mine had a little 1-inch scratch on the top. Other than that, it was brand new. So for 182, you can possibly get basically a brand new unit. But like I said, I can't guarantee it. Yours might come dirty and damaged. But they have so many of these that I think everybody's going to get a similar product. But once again, for this price, it's a really good deal. As you can see, it's a $490 robot. Now, is it worth $490? I'd say no way in the world, just because of its limitations on it can't make a map or go clean the rooms or anything like that. At the 182 price, very, very, very good robot. I'd highly recommend at that price, but not the full price. So it's up to you. Just wanted to pass this saving along to you. I'll put a link down in the description as well. You'll click on that. You'll go right to this page that you're seeing. Go down here to 182, click that and add that to cart. And then hopefully you'll get one as good as condition as mine. And heck, if you don't, then, send it back. But regardless, I think at that price you'll be happy. One more quick note, I am actually giving away the one that I ordered in a giveaway coming up very soon as I hit 10,000 subs. And I'm also going to give away the Roomba 692 that I also bought. And yeah, those are going to be totally free. So definitely like and subscribe if you're interested in possibly winning. And I'll have a video coming soon about how I'm going to do the giveaway as soon as I hit the 10K subs. So hopefully you appreciate this video. At the very least, if you appreciate these deals, smash that like button and consider subscribing. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.